I feel like you guys are going to roast me.
It's a draft. Yeah.
Hey besties, Deborah Emem here. You're welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time on my channel, you're welcome. But if you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome. So today we're going to be doing a self-relax. Guys, it's my first time I'm doing a self-relax. The last time I had anything to do with relaxer was a tragedy. Okay, it was a tragedy. So you can definitely check out that video, my first time relaxing my hair after 4 years being natural. That video is my #1 video on YouTube. I guess you guys love seeing me relax my hair, but today we're going to be trying it one more time, and I'm going to be doing it by myself because I feel like that lady didn't really respect my hair. So it's my hair, so nobody's going to respect my hair as much as I'm going to respect my hair. So I'm going to be trying this out. So I'm scared. I've never done this before. I don't know how it's going to turn out. This is an experiment, and I'm like, let me share with my besties. So don't judge me. Don't judge me. A lot of people came for me in that first video, but you cannot expect me to know about relaxing hair when I've been natural for 4 years. So I'm still learning all about this relaxing world. So any comments or advice you have for me, drop them in the comment section. It will really help me. And let's get into it, okay? Let's get into it. So the relaxer I'm going to be using today is the olive oil ORS built-in protection no-lye hair relaxer normal. So it has everything I'll need: conditioner, activator, and some extra stuff. So I'm going to mix it and then we'll get onto it, okay? And for my tools, I have a white tooth comb, a tailbone or rat tail, and then some butterfly clips, and then a scissors just to snip this stuff, not to cut my hair or anything. And then I have this hair oil. So I also have my conditioner in the bathroom and stuff like that. So we'll talk about that after we apply the relaxer. So I'm scared. Let me know, like, I'm scared. I'm nervous. I'm anxious. I feel like you guys are going to roast me. So I'm going to be using the olive oil ORS built-in protection normal relaxer. I have my hair clips, my combs, my scissors, and then this Organics Ayurvedic hair elixir. This is what I've been using though, and it really helps my hair. Like, it has helped my hair grow. I think it does. It has all these herbs in it. And actually this was a gift from Organics, so it was gifted. And yeah, that's about it. This box has everything I'll need. These are the contents of the relaxer. We have a wrap set mousse, a shampoo, replenish pack, and then hair moisturizer, and we also have the activator. So I'm going to mix this into this. I know everybody knows how to relax or mix a relaxer, but I'm just showing you guys in case you were wondering. So I'm gonna mix it right now. Pour it in. Mix. Oopsie. I'm not just bitch words of it. So this is the consistency. I hope I got this right. I just mixed the whole thing together. So this is the consistency. I'm still gonna mix it more, but I can't use my hand because I'm holding my camera. It still has some lumps, but I'm going to go ahead and mix it some more, and then we're gonna start. Okay besties, so I decided to use a voiceover. So here I'm just going to apply that oil I showed you to protect the skin around my edges and my hairline. So that's what I'm doing. You don't want to forget this step. It is very important. So now I'm splitting the hair into 4 equal parts, just so that I can have a better application process. My hair is so full and thick, so I have to split it so I can see exactly what I'm doing. And as you can see, I'm just going to section them off and put them into little braids just to divide everybody. And besides, that's what the instruction box says we should do for a relaxer. Like Michael Jackson, I could give you So I'm just showing you how I split the hair into sections.
I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically I'm saying either way we bout to slide. If you can't let this one slide.
So next, the relaxer box came with plastic hand gloves. You want to make sure you put on your hand gloves so you don't like burn your hands. I'm starting my application from the back because the hair at the back is my most coarse and stubborn, so I have to start from there so it has more time to relax. So I'm just splitting it into little sections and applying the hair on my roots and not on my scalp, because if you watch my first relaxer video, the lady was literally applying it everywhere. So I'm just going to repeat that process with all 4 sections, and yeah.
Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right.
Listen, this was so difficult because I had to be looking at the mirror and just trying my best. I wish I could remove my head and just stand it in between my leg and do this. It was not easy, but you know, we got it done. This is my first time, so hopefully the next time will be much easier. Now I'm just applying this to the front sections of my hair. I really went in and I did my thing, but I was gentle. I made sure to treat this front part very gentle because the front of my hair is the weakest and the lightest, so I didn't want to drag and pull the hair or manipulate it too much. And it was much easier than applying at the back because the front I can actually see it easily.
Next time, guarantee the truth will get revealed. Black leather glove, no sequins. Buckles on the jacket, it's a leash.
So guys, I just finished applying the relaxer. I think I am doing a better job than that lady. So I'm going to just apply a little bit more around my edges because my edges are not baby hairs. They are grown hairs that need to be taken care of. So I'm just gonna keep this in place and out the way. You guys tell me, wow, who is that? Tell me how good I'm doing or what are my mistakes, if I have made any mistakes. I'm trying to redeem myself, and I did watch some self-relaxing videos, so I'm not perfect at this yet. This is my first time I'm doing this, so please bear with me. So yeah, and it's just hair, guys. It's not that deep. It's just hair, and it will always grow. So make sure you get your back baby hairs. I have a lot of baby hairs around my back, so I'm just doing this. So at this point, it's really stinging me. I'm just gonna check the time. I'm going to leave it on for an extra 10 minutes, just so that it gets the job done, because my hair is very coarse. So yeah, that's about all I'm going to do for the application. I'm not applying any of them on my roots, on my shaft and ends, because I don't need it. I just need to get the roots relaxed. So I'll be back. I'm going to go just chill, and then I'll be back. Wow, who is this? I'm going to go chill, and I'll be back in 10 minutes to tell you guys I'm going to go and wash it. So yeah.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
So besties, at this point, the relaxer has been in my hair for over 10 minutes. It's stinging me now, and it's itchy and it's burning. So I'm going to jump into the shower and just take a shower, rinse this out. I'm going to use the shampoo and the conditioner. Even though it's not going to be enough, I'm just going to use my personal shampoo and conditioner, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. I can't take you guys into the bathroom. Just setting up in the bathroom is just too much.
A few minutes later.
So besties, this is the final result. It really did relax. Like my roots are as relaxed as possible. Yeah. And my hair is long. Like, it's not bad. And then the shaft and the ends are not relaxed. That's what I wanted. I just need the roots to be relaxed. So yeah. Whew. So besties, I just rinsed out the relaxer. I applied the conditioner. I also applied my own conditioner. So this is how the hair came out. I absolutely love my results. My roots are relaxed and my shafts and roots are still, like, you know, kind of coarse. So that's the look I want. I don't want my hair to be flat without body. So yeah, the edges are looking really nice and flat. So when I get it braided, it's gonna look cute. Tell me how good or how bad I did in the comments. Let me know what mistakes I made or what I would have done better. It will really help me out because I'm not going to any salon to get my hair relaxed anymore. I want to self-relax, so that's what we're gonna be doing now. So the last step, I'm going to add this hair lotion, right? So I'm gonna just apply it to the hair. It's a leave-in conditioner, basically. My hair is pretty long and I did get a lot of shedding because this hair has been. So I'm going to really invest in hair care products because I like the way my hair is looking. So drop me some recommended products in the comment section that's amazing for relaxed hair. And I'll definitely check them out. One thing about my hair is it's very dry. So I want something that's going to really moisturize my hair. Let me know in the comment section. Somebody advised I get a protein treatment and I am going to do that very soon, very soon. I'm going to do that. I'm going to definitely do that before I relax my hair again. And I'm going to follow up with this Organics hair oil. I'm really just going to work this in my roots on my scalp. So thanks so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. Like, share with your homegirls, you know, let them know what is tea. And without further ado, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.